I can't believe it, like, just no traffic. You know when you put your hand inside and there's traffic jam? No traffic.
Pretty girl, where you come from? Pretty girl, where you going? Said I wanna take you to London. Buy you anything that you want, huh? After that I will buy you a helicopter.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the girl Theresa, ALIEXPRESS, and I'm back today to show you how I bought these bundles and made this wig for the cost of £45. Like £45. Like, I'm serious. This hair is from ALIEXPRESS, obviously, but the name of the vendor, I think, is BEAUDIVA, something like that. I'll put it below. Anywho, I was searching, because I'm on a budget.
Get yourself together, bitch. Know how to budget, ho. L.
I saw that they had a pretty good deal. They had like 60% off their hair. I thought it was, Christmas sales and whatnot. So I checked out the reviews. The reviews, they were okay. I wasn't expecting much, because the hair was £45. Well, I got a 14-inch closure with 12, 14, 16 bundles. That's 3 bundles and a closure for £45. And the hair came in about a week, probably less than. And I made it into a wig. So I've been rocking this hair for about 3 weeks now. 3 weeks to a month. And this hair, I couldn't believe it. It barely sheds, like barely.
Barely.
I thought when I would wash it, the whole hair would just come apart and nothing. Like when I made the wig, I put the 14 closure, then I put on the bottom, I put it 12, 14, 16, because I kind of wanted it to be one level. But I ended up cutting it a bit anyways. I cut it first when I made it, and then I cut it when I'll show you later in the video how I cut it as well, because I wanted it to be longer in the front and shorter in the back. And I didn't even use all the hair. I still have this is the 16-inch. I still have probably about a third of a bundle left because I didn't use it. The wig was full enough. Obviously this hair has been sitting around for 3 weeks, so it doesn't look the best, but I just wanted to show you that I didn't use all the hair. And you guys, go get this hair because I'm the plug. Obviously, if the hair is not good when you get it, don't blame me. I'm just showing you that I got good hair, Nobody's paying me. I just want to help my sisters out because everybody's on a budget 2018.
I'm gonna be on a budget until the day I die, bitch. You know what I'm saying?
Don't forget, please like and subscribe to this video because it would help me out so much. Thank you. So guys, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. It's about 80% dry because I let the air dry, so I'm just going over with it with my blow dryer before I straighten it. When it comes to straightening, I'm pretty lazy. I just take, quite reasonable sizes and straighten all the way through. I don't really take too many small strands because I ain't never got time for that. So I straightened the whole head, and then I wanted to cut it a bit. I'd already cut about 2 inches of it when I first made the wig, but I wanted the back of the wig to be a bit shorter than the front. So I literally just separated the bit from the front and took my scissors, sorry you can't see properly, and I just cut off about 1 inch off the back. And then I just took my straighteners and I bumped the edges. The wig cap that I used already came with 3 combs in the side, 2 in the side, 1 in the back, so I don't have a rubber band, and it's so convenient. So I'm gonna You know when you put your hand inside and there's traffic jam? No traffic. You guys should definitely go out and buy this hair because it's a bargain. It's a steal. Oh. Show you from the back. I'm doing too much, but I'm just so happy with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape.